My people, where my Monica people? This music I'm supposed to put on for speaker. Let me see. Yeah. Ikunoma si ogo doma si ni mehana. Iye kiveno. Oh, Kenya. Iya kunoma obi mi ego. Ikunoma si ogo doma si na hana. Iye kiveno. No be me go. He could not rest your way. No rest in a hand. Monica love us no. Amba, help me with daddy's speaker. Iya kiveno. Back here. It's not there. Won't bring it from kitchen. Yaki. Yaki 50 billion. Yaki. Yaki 100 million. I gotta see money day. Pay gbado pay back here. I'm more popular again. Give me the wire. Give me the wire from our room. Happy birthday. Very forward. Monica lovers to the world. The genuine amazing lovers. The only anointed children of God of social media. May God bless you all. The only one that have Baba in heaven. Ask Papa. No, I think he's back on our television. Oh, there's Zozo. To me. No, I need to put speaker. Money they use. I gotta see money they waka. Oh, daddy cool. I'll connect to you.
At the front around 2 a.m.
Daddy cool.
He started coming around in the middle of the night.
What did they do that? Cool. Oh wait, I'm waiting you what? Daddy cool you this week I'm waiting. Okay, okay. Do you know what time is?
It's 12 on the bed.
God bless you, my lovely people. My Monica lover people. You guys are too much. Who they breathe? Who they zuzu? I hope now they hear anything zuzuzu. No zuzulio. Zuzulistic. God bless you. I'm so happy. Just see the title of the video is to appreciate my genuine, amazing, lovers all over the world and the great, the checkers and the movers of social media, aka the great GPC, gallant and peaceful commenter. Iyeki lovers, God will bless you. God will bless all of you. I'm so grateful. I've cried. I've opened my mouth. I've been breathing like, oh my God, I can't believe it. I don't hold my ear. Jesus, what? But this moment, I am thanking you all for all you have done for me. If I've never appreciated your little effort of liking, sharing, calling me, praying for me, be there for me, listening to me, always follow me everywhere, I'm doing it right now because you guys are the real deal. God bless you. I appreciate you now. To the more I back from the bottom of my heart, God, where I know, where I put trust on, make it a blessing with your heart desire. Now that one, now they pray every day that these people, Lord, that have genuinely blessed me, that have genuinely supported me, that have genuinely give me their good advice, listening to me, give me chance, opportunity to stand on my own, a great chance to do my own again, to turn things around. I appreciate all of you. I can't thank you all enough. With great joy and fear, like, God, are you sure I'll be thanking these people, telling them how much they mean to me? That is what I'm doing. You guys mean a lot to me. It means a lot to me. Thank you for making me who I am today. Thank you for your star girl, Nana Power. Thank you, Monica Lobo the Great. Thank you. Thank you for all the billions, millions where you they are join the Iyeki. God bless you. I appreciate you. If not be you know, nothing from my side. You can see from north, east, south, west. They were human beings were all against your one girl. Why? Because they see something, and really that something was real. It's not fake. It was real. When people say, "Oh, they make millions," you can imagine Monica Lobolobo what you guys did for me. I can't even talk. May they don't excuse my name. God is faithful. I am faithful. I am grateful to you all, my people. I don't come here, can't talk much. The only thing where I will just pull mouth talk be say one. Niger Wash. Now person will be say I don't feel really when we come in contact. Okay. I don't feel pick the year again. Maybe we know better because in a person where they keep things. Okay. Everybody know for this social media, Niger Wash pick on me first on this social media. We fight, not be small thing. But one day, I can't remember the year anymore. I was the first person he called also to make peace. And I agree and I accepted one time. It's alive, he can talk about it. Despite every fight, everything he did, when he called and introduced himself, now he be that time as Zevijin. Now he be that Zevijin and say, wow, what are you calling me for? What? He says sorry for everything. And this is how we're going to do it now. This is how we're going to do it if you will agree. Una know me now. I say it's okay. I forgive. We move. That was how we all started in good way. Until today, I really don't have anything to say against Niger Watch. We don't do me, we don't see. Although when all these rumors start to come up, a lot of people will always say, he is the one that always get trouble against you. You know the sin. He is the one that always. I'll say, but one thing they do me, when they say you be like this, and me and you get in contact, I don't feel by myself. This one not be, you know, sometimes I feel they talk now, say, now so this person be, you never get in contact with the person before. You feel tell yourself, say, oh, if they tell me, say, now so person be, he never do me, I know they believe. That one, they different from what they talk so. What they talk so be, say, me and Niger Wash, we they talk, we they do things together. Okay? I never see or feel it. At least me too. I not be just Ozuo like that. No. So if I dare around somebody we no good, at least the one time old friendship where I always they honest to tell and say I wasn't really like blind. I saw, but I don't know why I keep on trying. Okay, but for Niger War show, I didn't feel it. I didn't see it. So people confessing and people will tell me he was the one that was instigating people to fight you, against you. I keep my reserve like I no feel her. I no see her. And he no do that same thing to me one day as we close reach. How come that same thing when they do to all these people against me? Why you know they do them to me against them? also. So I don't believe because he not do unto me. I don't see say he do unto the other one where I also know. We not talk about anything like that. You know? Then for money aspects, we still do things. I don't still feel something like that, like greed or whatever. But for business aspect, it's a professional businessman. On a business aspect, it's a professional businessman that I know. Okay? So, I thank God, say, till today, I don't use because of what I hear to change what I know by myself about him. Till today, I will still tell you, now honest person is a straight businessman. So if you view things when they do out of you will be normal play person, you might see it like, oh, like this. But if you view it from the point of business, it's a pure businessman. That's what business people do. Okay, percentage and all this type of thing. Pure business. If you not agree, nobody go force you. Okay, that one on that one. Another thing again, we I want to talk this evening to Niger Wash. I first believe you, my brother, even before you can play all these things. Truth of the matter, I first believe you. One person did here where we always they argue about your matter. The other person believe the other way around. Okay, but me, I will always say, despite you not come and come judge, I don't believe. There must be some agreement to some extent before this type of thing, if it ever happen. Otherwise, okay. Then another one where I want to talk, Mr. Niger Wash. Now, like what happened today, please try and change that, because that thing almost upset me. But I just control myself, but it's not really good for your reputation. You make a flyer and you invited everybody to your platform to come and listen to this thing that have been going on all these years. Then you enter. It never even reach. All of us don't reach there. I don't know, people came late when 2,000 don't already did there. When 1,000 plus don't did there. Okay? Somebody like me and some people go and watch the comment from beginning. We were there when you never come. Now we opened there. Now we the comments before you come. So I was there on time because you invited us and I live in abroad. Okay? I was there on time. For me, I was even like 2 minutes late and I thought, oh, I don't miss so. When I reached down, I never start. I started calling. Say, hey, what is going on? Are you still coming? You say, yes. Okay, I now hold my pee. And I started writing to people, don't worry, it's coming. Only about 10 minutes later, you don't come. You are preparing your talk. This one, can I say this? Can I say that? And people started commenting. Somebody is streaming it live. Somebody is streaming it live. You never address it. You never address it. You can't say you didn't see, because it was more than 1,000 plus comments that wrote it. It's disrespectful. I know you have very high policy of respect for us. I can really say she have never disrespected you. I have never disrespected you on this social media. You can say that vividly. Only two of us has never like put you on our platform and begin to lash you or talk about your matter very badly. Only two of us, I will say the truth. So you respect us. We respect you. Good and fine. But on that type of occasion, when you don't address it, you disrespect the rest of us. You disrespected the rest of us that was watching. You invited all of us with flyer. I'm very sure she didn't share your flyer yesterday to invite people to this your talk, because she don't feel it's important for you to defend yourself against a friend. And today you were doing it rightly. She was streaming you live, causing wahala of not being able for us to sit down and listen to what you were saying. And this thing is important to you. It's important to everybody. Most especially you. You can, I swear, play it now, and all of us decide to sit on top of it like, I bet they go. You know it they happen for this social media. They did it to me. I'm a living witness of they did that to me, politics. They will see the truth and they will just turn it like, no, we will not take the truth. We will take the lies. They are like that. So please, address that. That is the only part I was very angry. Because you saw everybody was writing it. And you never read it out and stop that live stream. You can't respect somebody, one, and disrespect the thousands of people that were watching you. We all care, not because we love Saga or we want to hear Kongosa. For me, I don't really care. I trust you. I don't believe it. That's why you have never seen me since she started crying since 1 year. We come and say, oh, come on, let me come and trauma. I never believed her. For whatsoever it is, I never believed her. I am the only one who knows how she started. She's the person that used to call me. I'm not going to believe she and her husband. You see? So I never believed that. A so-called best friend you have an audio was also my friend. I knows everything, but it's none of my business. Right from the one I'll be saying it's none of my business. If she use me, they carry you, you go. Good. If you tell by yourself, get problem, you go there. It's your business. You don't consign me. That is what I'll be saying. The only time I talk to her is because of Palace. It's because of Palace. Finish. Otherwise, if she lies, she carry all of them, shook for his pocket. It's none of my business. Who go there na business? You know, concern me put. Don't be me go stop scam and fraud for the world. I only give my own talking. I enter my house. Okay? Please, Mr. Niger Wash, you can still see I'm still very, very angry. Because you never address it. You can't respect one person and disrespected all of us. My fans was there. Our fans never gave you 1 cent. They don't care. They don't give. They never stand for the truth. Go and look at their comment. Their comment was telling you this subject doesn't make no sense. Even when the whole world knows that it makes sense. So please, Niger Wash, address it, please. That one, it really pay me. Because we all condemn me too. I'm a blogger. I can, I swear, put my live video, let people be watching from my side. Let some day your side. Why? With the respect each other. This is the money, the love of money where they cause all the problem for this social media. Whether somebody block that your video tonight or not, who don't reach, don't reach. Who God don't bless, it don't bless. Who go shop, go shop. Who go still pay us friend, go still pay us friends. But out of disrespect, even she will do the money where she want make, it no go reach her, even buy shoe put for leg. But because she no consider, she no count your defenders anything. She no value the people that sit to watch you. And who are the people? The social media people. You guys should stop giving her room to disrespect people. I hate it. I don't hate her. Her attitude. Unine na mama ebo wagwagi aru wowo da fun e. Why get that display the social media nyawa they fool wahi. I am not, and I know a trick. For more than 1 hour, everybody was commenting. You never rightful said it to her that, hey, so and so, please, with all due respect, stop streaming. Because she not count you put. She not respect nobody. It's not good. If you have opened your mouth and said it to her, she will be angry. Is that why you are? Is that what you are afraid of? Is that what you are afraid of? What is she doing to you? Giving you nothing. Now you they even do something for her. She have nothing to offer you. Respect is reciprocal, Mr. Niger Wash. That's the only part I find very irritating in all this whole thing you guys are doing on social media. How you guys they overgive people power to ride on all the viewers and commenters. It's very, very annoying. No be say all of us don't get what we want to use our time do. When we sit down, they watch. Who told you that? I for don't saw how many weeks. A lot of call came to my phone. I open and make you see. A lot of them we pick and I will say, you know they watch Nigeria World, please. I'm listening to something. Later I will call you or tomorrow. You understand? I was hanging my own call to make sure that I was in your call, to listen to you as human being that I respected. Then you don't put everybody there and allow one person to start disrespecting everybody. Yeah? Please. Whether next time or whatever, please address that. You are not a baby on social media that you want to play something, everybody should come, that people will not be cutting it like that they share people will not go school. Exactly, you know what to do. So nobody would have dared to try that with you because they know you will come after them. The one that did, you not respected that and disrespected everybody that were commenting. And you know without this viewer, you guys will not be counting those dollars and 1 cent or nairas are you guys talking about. She will never click on your platform to watch it. Never. She will not even subscribe to you. Then you will not be disrespecting your viewers and your subscribers. That part really, really annoy me. My lovely people, God go bless all of you now. Please, my lovers, it's left for you. Una don't hear anything. Now get the power. Now they rule. Now they control. You understand? So now the part where son on me now say, Mr. Niger Wash, before he can defend himself or not, I already believe him. Because as years where we don't do things together, I never ever see him in any koni kind of manafiki. I don't see him. That's why it matter not let me 100% to come the church. I wish I felt the see him for manafiki. He won at the beginning. Just that no year. He no won. He no won. He saw the name. People were writing. People did not say people are streaming it. They were writing a particular name that was streaming it. You call it. With all due respect, my social friend, please, I want everybody to be here. After today, you guys can carry it. Clear. Finish. You understand? Not be saying anytime where people just sound something, they want to talk something, all of them will just carry like pio. I don't feel they tell now. Say they want that for you too. I don't tell now. She be una say na lie now they talk. Una not say na lie they talk. 3,000 views. I matter mu wa. By 3,000 views. By 12 hours. I don't tell now. I bet my lovely Monica lover, God go bless all of you now, front and back. Please, if you know, say you dey part of those, we really believe, say, make we get our own team more strong. Tomorrow, we don't know how it will be. Not be our money be this one. This one that lovers, supporters account for a backup for all of us. Tomorrow, you don't know. Years from now, you don't know. Please, month don't end. If you know, say you dey part of those where they give to lovers account, please, anything where you give, God will richly bless you. And all the people that be doing it, this is the 3rd month where we bring our comments. People have been consecutively doing it. God will richly bless you. If you never join and you be Monica lover for a year, please join. €5, €10, €15, anything where you put, it not go kill you. It not go say make you not get, but it's just part of you supporting this program, this platform, that if somebody still look for help, come near us, we go still see, give them. Okay, YouTube pay, but this community has, I have said it before, YouTube pays. Okay, if you carry content that always attract the world, not be outside the way, watch me today, watch me tomorrow, watch me next tomorrow. YouTube not they pay like that. I don't tell you now how it they pay. If YouTube they pay, YouTube they pay. Oh, don't get me wrong. Sorry, YouTube they pay. Other people where they do better thing. You see our black community where be this Edo Saga community. Whether you be Soto, you be Choco. if they see big money, hey, you don't know, say na therefore don't post am. You don't see any of them fear let them post am. Because if they post am, many of you now say, oh, na ya wa gbelegbe ya wa, but we va bori afia kuleluwa. My dear, most of their video is orange. When your video have orange, you do not have commercial. And when you don't have commercial, why will YouTube pay for something that he did not use? Now, wait till YouTube go put advert where they sell it. Now he go pay you big money for. Not be the one where he put advert where nobody even needs. Your advert where they your YouTube. A YouTube or a link in it, nobody ever click, make it use and buy something where YouTube want to put. I be you know say na pay advert where people click and buy something. Go to the link, order from those one. Now the money of YouTube say they high. Now that percentage YouTube go come share for all the video where that thing happen, where you put them for. Your video will not get commercial. Your video will not get how many break. I be some video where they go, I know fit tell them yeah, more teaching you. When why are 50 euro ya learn, why ya learn. And another way people wait to say now so that they make money for YouTube. You know they see them 200 euro, 25 euro okra. Or when ya gang. Any rami ya denyo. It don't do. I beg. People we don't dare YouTube since 90 beginning not date. Now brush up of small 35 euro tin, 150 euro tin. Hey, wama egigwe oni igagbon ya kokobo. We are cooking igagbon be mi. Papa na ya blower. We are here them ya we see person now upon all the years 45 million convert it to euro year. Let's see if it's up to a down payment. Please, my lovely people, I beg. Make the kid decide. Don't talk and say, when they YouTube now, they go use and kid decide because who tell them say money day? Una no ask am. Say money day. Why ye borrow a bataye? Money day. Why it be say level no change? Hey, the area we not supposed to pursue. No, me Monica want to tell una. We say last check up. Niger world may tell una. I just tired. I don't tire. YouTuber. Una don't hear now, Say 10 hours. Una don't hear. Abi? But before they'll say, we go. Motamuwa. If they carry money for inside, where shame no day. Mona tell them make they post as they get pride rich. All these people where they always tell una say money, they get pride. How come they know just post their money make you see and make you know say your head don't big. Make you know say or say na ya waru lelele big. You know they na where for people where be say I want to talk now. Okay, somebody say 300 not be something. But if you they live on 300 na something. You see why 300 be something? They be government property. That they use iyekete the receiver. You say 600 not be something, not something. It go reach you to live. Will you pay us rent from 600 and buy things for 600? No, it always have to be buy bank. Do you see why if government knows say you they receive that money, they are going to come balance them like Germany. They'll come pay joiner to waiting see go more that go receive. Okay, Italy, maybe they not get that one, but Italy not forget who they give them money to take leave. Can you see? Una sure so una sister Koi, she go just sit down receive how much for YouTube, she go work. If she even they receive 600, motamuwa, ona etiare 600 in una see what here. He no go work. Una go keep person first. Okay, imagine one brother we saying the if he never say 1 million, yeah, well, imagine how many months we don't they look for 1 million naira. Why belegbe wa bana naira? Where take one how many months? Waiting. Thank you. Imagine. YouTube don't reach for pastor pray for me. Anyway, the other audio no wa me na the audio will not come out. Una no know say many things go there where some people they do. Don't do. Now name YouTube. Now they betray me for last year. Now they nearly kill me for the same YouTube. Una take careful. God bless all of una. I just want to appreciate Monica lovers. You guys are the best. You guys are the best for me. I can't lie. Una turn my life around. Una not let me hear the other side of the story. The story will not give me God. I'll be so I'm grateful. Thank you so much, my lovely people. I appreciate you. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Thank you. God bless all of una for me. Thank you. Nu wamana gume desperate for anything. I just been a hard-working mother, woman, and I keep being hard-working, never desperate for nothing. I didn't desperate for the power, for the title, for nothing. I'm just a hard-working woman, and everything was falling in place. Call me my Netherlands fool. Thank you so much. Me, I use this music. Take time to now where. Okay? Niger Wash. God bless you. Keep on your good work. God has dedicated you in the heart of some people. Don't forget. Everybody where they did social media, not be all the air correct. Some can see the truth and they will tell themselves, they will follow the line. Don't bother, you are saying your own. Forget about them. Hello. I did not bow down. I cannot bow down because I'm the only one using the spirit of God on social media. I not tell now. I am the only one who have the anointed of Most High God. I miss say for that reason, wow, because he miss say. You know why, my lady? You know why? The thing be say, person where you better pass. There is nothing you go to look for under that person. Person where you better pass. You know if you go down, they look for under that person. Person where everything where I get now, waiting in the rush to get. No, get I.
No, you need to open church.
I don't need to open church as we just they do and so Baba God too much. It's good to be good. Oh, your God, very well. When you walk through the valley or shadow of death, you will fear no evil. You cannot see, since I've been telling you guys, social media, no two head, no enter. No. Hello.
Out of all of them, now your own company because it won't make you submit and you refuse.
Never now. What I want to go do for on that person where I pass? Now, no understand. Now, people where he pass, now you say thank you. You understand? What I want to do for people on that person where I don't pass? Now, 1 million you want give me. 1 million I'll cough and I'll give her. I don't need to pin our cough. I open and say 1 million take. Yeah, what die on when he say, God forbid. God forbid. Me we person fan where I don't know before. Sign 1 million, give me. Only in one, no. Not be waiting GPC Coco give me. Only in one, give me 1 million for my own birthday. One person. Not be the rest, so not be my mommy for one corner like that. Don't do. Now a person, one can use 1 million. I can't, nah. I say if you need 1 million, me or cough. My cough, I'll say.
Make me quickly talk this one, please, my lady. All the major when she carry come make it go the talk because that one they follow the full step. Please, you don't tell her make it stop.
Oh God, my lady, mama need there, oh, mama need there. Imani there near the platform, now, gay. Because now, oh he a talk back, they more no move by me. Oh he a talk back. Bible say, do not bear false witness against your neighbor. The false witness she bear against me. Even now couple because he even in ya Ima vino emi you nu ne ma ya believe in beto salobo anon kon dudu o rien go me nu Where say je do go ma je ve na ma de time ve talo where say je oh na say
Congratulations,
where say would you are me thank you so much. There's my lovely Monica lovers. Beni people say ara banorio fin agire ilane no ye the audio come and their shit come and te analyze game ilane osawe sevemiya money there even na they expect Monica will come tomorrow come analyze. No, I don't need them. I don't need the talk to take come analyze. But I've told you guys as my lovers, even before Niger Watch play all this thing, una don't ever see me on my platform saying I believe anything against Niger Watch. No, the reason why I know they talk and I know put body beam say in the Niger Watch you know because in my cameo video, so I was very septic like. Can it be? People were saying, oh, because the girl fool, that's why. I kind of, because I know Niger Watch to be a business straight person. It go show you. You know they do back. So, I don't know what they do there. So today, as it prove everything, I was like, thank God. Say, I don't just say something where I don't see with person. Me, I just say, oh, because they talk and because no vada, no seti mo orejo my babe. Unu no eti yeve wo mami we o tine ni judge na we imana home from the person we be the thing. I know if he carry the matter. Una say I carry the matter ever since like why? Because I kind of know the kind person where Niger Watch be. You know they do that kind of thing. So it was very light for me. You understand? So more than no verse, my lovely people. I felt no say Niger Watch no. You not do that kind of thing. And he was dealing with a liar with tears. Be careful of them on this social media, my people. People that are not accountable, desperate people that we brush up to tell you guys, say they're too much. Mona, they careful for this social media. They're too much for this social media. Eh? They will desperately be fighting those things where they don't get big for his side. But for our side, they'll tell you it's finished. Oh, God. Hallelujah. Eh? Thank you, my people. Jare, I don't want to say. I go finish working. Eh? God go bless you now. Oh, you don't understand. 1 million not reach me to bow down for because I feel coughing. God, I'll be so grateful. Eh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, use this one. Thank you again. This thing, not tell me say you don't wake up. Okay. Oh, no, I say no man. Yes, you. The trouble they don't face, but the trouble. The money then they carry like this video. Oh, I think the really 2 weeks. Social media. I'm not really your banana. get mama no. Monica lovers, una too much. We don't reach 3,000, but we too much. We know the fake testimony. We know the fake goodie. Awa. 1 million. Open your fans and back at me. Awa. They go carry my picture everywhere. My picture, purpose. God has been so faithful to me. He turned everything around for my good.
Mommy Lolo, one of California.
Hey!
Mama Africa, water. Mama gracious for some
Mommy gracious. Eh? Where are the UK? Or rather not the faith.
Mommy, Iyabo.
Better. Move us and check us on social media. That's yo.
Spirit God said,
that is our mommy yo.
Bella peace. Peace.
Great as me. Clever babe. Okay, give the session.
Special greetings to Lolo Bliss.
Lolo Bliss. Awa. Mommy Bibi.
Emily Reyes.
Hey, Emily Reyes.
Mama Joshua Mama Effie,
aka Rolly Rosa, food domain. Hey, back here.
This song specially dedicated to
Monica lovers
all over the world.
love you all so much. Me, I live for Namona. Go sleep. It don't late. Me, I look for Lady P.O. Lady P.O. sweet oh. Me, I look for Lady P.O. Mo sing before we dey go. Not too much. My people, God bless you. I appreciate you, Okaza Gold. I greet all my lovers. If your name not did this music, your name therefore greeting, special greeting to all Monica lovers. Don't forget, say, if name too much for inside music, you know the sweet. God will bless all of you for me. Again and again. 1,000,000 times. I'm grateful to all of you. And God will bless you now. Me and see whether I'll fit type them out. Oh, no fit. Thank you, my people. God bless you. God bless you. You see, they go cause wahala everywhere. Just for, may they use Monica shout. May they come, they talk, say, hey, Monica, trouble. Can you imagine? Eh? Now, wow, you're not going to say now people like you, your colleague, now that they set up fights to just stay big up themselves, say they don't get trouble, now you get trouble. Thank God that all the trouble, I never make anyone by myself. Because of that, God bless me so much. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Eh? Because of that, God turned all of them. Today, I can cough. I don't need to battle for any bomb or class side chick to get it. 1,000,000. My cough, I can cough it out. Hey! This music was dedicated to me by Lady Precious Fair. I'm telling you, Monica, no special Monica. It's the miss of Jaga Jaga. 1,000,000. Monica, no. Monica. He was on this case, he billion. Lobo, the great mommy of the universe. Already Monica knows I can't the blindness of social media. I can't know you see the most no wonder now they be the first to run come up and confirm evil against me. Aye. Terrible. Whatever they wish me, they will receive it in a million fold. Shame at this grade. Confirm why. And they say. Until tomorrow, my own, they say. They will see now. Confirm.
The great GPC.
Baba. I don't come out. Thank you so much, my lovely people. God bless you. Yeah, only congratulations is permitted in our life. Away. Mama Joe, Africa water. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. God richly bless you. May I use here quickly to announce 24-bit show that will be coming up, I think 10 of September. Please, they say come one, come all. Come your wife, come with your husband, come with your friends. Go with everybody in your area. In short, go with group. They get VIP table. Okay? I beg, if you know, say they go as a celebrity. You must not be a presenter before you be a celebrity. You are a celebrity of yourself. As you are working, you have that with the cash. Okay? Please, buy VIP table. You can buy their ticket. You'll see their flyer where I put for Facebook. Take their telephone number. Buy your ticket ahead. No fuck up. The whole way they carry and they say big one. Please make una go make them for see people take feel up that make una support our young magician where be say they take from their papa. Okay, Ovio Ke, he did there. Ovio Sula, he did there. Ovio Samore, he did there. Ovia Kaba, he did there. Ovia this, he did all of the food there. All the Edo magician where you don't ever know, don't ever hear those days. Their children don't bring their music on in a more new generation way. It's good to see them live and direct. And this ticket is not only bought for people with the UK alone. You can actually buy your ticket even when you are in America. Book your flight ticket. They will receive you in the city, hotel, everything. In short, it's an opportunity for you to come and see how UK be, or come holiday this time. Those where they Europe, you know me say now only people where they UK. Now they do this program for. You where the Germany, Holland, Italy, Greece, Belgium, buy your ticket, buy your flight ticket. In short, you can also buy it together. Call friends. This day, we all get friends all over the world. Call your friends. If you don't feel go hotel, stay with them for the weekend. May you take go the show. God will richly bless you as you are doing that. And most, especially now where the UK, God will bless you now as you now take buy ticket and go and support our brother 24-bit. It's not easy. You will love EPA, the Gweji of Young. It dey around though. You never go check and you don't follow and take picture. Wait till you gain. Now your era, it take this abroad. So, this time where it take on. So I remember when Kodokon that time when I newly come abroad, we all make sure say we want go. I think I can't come up for all now. You not can come again. You see. So it's your time now. Now your year. Now a part the Gweji abroad. Not to say you don't get a picture for us. Not to say you not shake on. Not to say you not go that party. You where they look for visa. Oh yeah. Go now. Go look for visa. Now may you forget visa where you take go. God richly bless you. And time day. If you never buy the ticket today, you can buy tomorrow. You can buy next tomorrow. Time day. But just try to look. Go look which date so that you don't go late to buy. And before you buy, you can also call that number to ask. How can I take this? I'm coming from so place. I will be dropping from so place. How can I do this? They can help you do everything. Okay? Edo to the world, not be when you sit down for inside your house. When they go, they do Edo thing, you know they go. Edo to the world, not be when you dey inside audio. When they go, they do something, you know go. Let's make Edo great. Not be for live video alone. Now today there, present. You understand? Thank you so much, my lovely people. Please come and support young legend. This one at your time. Go and do it. God bless you as you do. And also, if you see my wall, you go see that house where somebody wants sell. She really wants sell and she dey in need because she says she don't want borrow. Instead of me, she can't borrow money to do what she want. She just wants sell that house. Okay, she really make the decision. She has come to the conclusion of it. And I put the telephone number there. You don't even need to call me. And it's just 2 million naira. A full house where they don't build, finish. Now just for you to roof and plaster and put door. Your mama don't enter. Your papa don't enter. Or you don't get house for Nigeria. 50 by 100. And space still there. After you don't build that house, space still there. And that house now 5 bedroom. Separate with master bedroom. Also, with another thing where they built for the back. You can also change it to the type where you want, but that one is also a perfect one for house where you go, they come from abroad, go, they stay. Okay? So if you need it, go to my wall. It did there. Which community again? Now one community still did. I write the community for there. I not to know that kind of being, but now the community did there. Yeah? Call the person. He said 2 million naira. You not even reach. Is it out of 4,000? You know, reach. Please rush. Go and get it. Go and get it for 2 million naira. Now you say it be. Maybe just now. You go first negotiate. Maybe no. Not to negotiate because the person really dey tight. He just need that money. You understand? Paper day, everything day. Now papa be the build and wait time. Papa come down and she can still get problem ever since for Germany. And now you see, say no config continue. So now you want sell and may use money to do another thing for year quick because someone no maybe or you know I beg. So not to still go price and because if you see there, you know if you put money, if not some people go put on for 5 million, she just put on sharp make she take get money to do what she want. Do paper day, everything genuine day, audio way day. You can ask question around. You can send your people to go video to go check it for you. Genuine everything day, survey everything. So yeah, thank you. 24B really try for this their trip to UK. Oh, very nice. Please support them. God richly bless you. Bye bye, everybody. Love you to the moon and back. Monica, love us. Always know. You guys are the best. No matter how they put you down on social media, You guys are the best. You see how they always put me down. Primary school dropper. I am not. Nene me. PG language. No level. Now 200 viewers they get. But can you see the reality a little bit? The reality we are. Exam where result is result in my year for any nana general. Result in Bye. Now 45 million naira as you want bag, I get one for Ikorodu. Now that one ain't bad though. If you they do you go boru. Can you imagine that? Bye.